Your USD formatter is lying to you. It shows 50 cents instead of 50 cents, and that tiny discrepancy breaks payment UIs and confuses users. Creates a new international number format instance configured for US English locale with USD currency style, defaulting to no fixed minimum fractional digits, so fractional values may be omitted when whole number, and prepares this formatter instance for subsequent use in line 1. Invokes the format method on the formatter instance created earlier, passing 0.5 as the numeric input, which triggers conversion to the localized currency string according to US conventions and default fractional handling. Creates another international number format instance, reusing the same locale and currency settings, but now explicitly setting minimum fraction digits to 2, which guarantees at least 2 decimal places will always appear in formatted output. Calls the format method on fixedFormatter, passing 0.5, where the formatter applies its configured minimum fraction digits constraint to ensure the fractional portion contains exactly 2 digits as required for USD currency formatting. Uses the original formatter instance to convert the integer 0 into its localized currency representation, relying on the formatter's default behavior to determine how to display the value. Applies the fixedFormatter instance, configured to always show at least 2 fraction digits, to the integer 0, ensuring consistent formatting even for 0 values. Always set minimum fraction digits, 2 for currencies to avoid messy displays. Subscribe for daily coding videos.